Right, hello YouTube. Sorry. So this week there is FOMC, there is BOE, there is BOJ. Damn. FOMC. Gross. When do you see the... When do you see BOJ? Oh, I see it. Friday. Yeah. Oh wait, but this is not the meeting, I think. Yeah, it's on Friday. Yes, I'm in a trade because I took it on the 1 hour earlier. So 1 hour formed higher lows. This candle, the current one that is bearish, flip bullish, I entered long. Stop loss below this candle here. So I'm thinking the GJ will still come down and do some liquidity grab. So don't enter yet. Obviously. This is like coming down. So I think it's gonna come down for a liquidity grab below the green box. Somewhere here. Zoop. Okay. Let me sell my house. How to sell. Mm. Mm? Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Oh, it closed exactly the same. I wouldn't enter the impulse though. On the short. Don't do it. Yeah, don't do it. Yeah, because this thing looks like it's gonna grab liquidity and then maybe if it flips, it's gonna hit the stop loss so fast. It has to close below a retest. Mm. Yeah. At least let it close first. This area here is holding. Every time price reaches here, right? When it's coming down, it will hold and then it will reject. So I'm still watching for it to hold this 900 level. Because when the previous 1 hour candle came down into it, rejected, and then it closed above, same level as when the buys open. So that's why I think I'm really watching this area. Ooh, look at it. Coming to grab. And D's coming. Bruh. Nah, he was busy. At least he went away for a while. Finally. Don't worry, there's nothing yet. Start screaming if there is, Alexi. If you hear complete silence, means I hit my stop. Like on one hand, there's like a tiny part of me that's like, damn it, did I enter too high? On the other hand, the major part of me is like, I really gave it space. If this piece of shit still wants to hit me, right? I have really nothing to say. Hello, Andy. Morning. You made everybody worried. Now you gotta do 10 push-ups. Oh. Bro, I'm in drawdown. Why you FOMO? I'm in drawdown, bro. But there's possibly another entry. Just gotta wait for the 50. The higher time frame is bullish. It's just this resistance here needs a lot of volume to break. Like, where's London volume? Hello. Yeah, move forward 1 hour. On the server and the charts. But not in the UK yet. Don't worry, your clocks are moving forward 2 weeks time. Yeah, on Alexi's birthday. Damn, bro. What, Kevin? Yes. $28. Damn, the YouTube people cannot hear you. YouTube people cannot hear you. Sorry. Damn. Weird. It started already.
Your sound not hearing.
Let me see. Alexi, can you say something? No. Can you say something?
That's wild.
Okay.
When he did that last time, I accused Andy.
Andy.
And everyone
That was
got mad
funny
at
as fuck.
Andy.
That was funny as fuck.
Everyone
I'll
been
just-
training.
I seen your US dollar cap. Want boy here. I mean, yeah, if this is the lows, price faked out close bullish, made a higher low, entry on the retest. I would have preferred to wait for this 1 hour to close, but so far structurally it looks like it wants to go up. But I think UCAT is bearish on the higher time frame, if I'm not wrong. Ooh, so damn bearish. What is it? Yeah, so the daily support, so potentially you might get your trade. Thing is bearish, so if you're targeting this area, right, you might not get the full thing, so just watch your candle formations. So it doesn't have to be traced back to this resistance, but structurally I think it will make some kind of push up to how much, I don't know, plus there's a psychological whole number here. If the 4 hour open at 1 PM Singapore time, does that mean that London Open is back at 3? Not yet. London Open will shift in 2 weeks on the 28th of March. So if you guys Google US DST and UK DST, they are different dates. So UK is on 28th of March. Yeah, this is UK. US 14. Yeah, they have different times. So the US clocks moving forward will affect your server times. The UK clock moving forward will affect your pound London Open time.
You in these buys?
Yes.
No, that's okay. It's holding that level though.
4 hour
Isn't it?
candle.
If this 15-minute close bullish, it's created another higher low.
Mm.
It should, because it doesn't have a top wick.
4 hour?
Not a 15-minute.
I haven't seen a nice 15 bullish close yet.
This one closes. It's about to close nice. I love when they close like this. Just need to close blue instead of black, or green instead of red. There it is.
Go buy above 1728. Heisenberg, I don't really like the buys now. If I want to buy it, right, I'm looking at buying around 1710. Because this area, based on the 4 hour, gold is squeezing. And I'm at the end. So I don't want to buy here. I want to buy lower. And plus, if you look at the resistance, right, at the 4 hour candles, all the rejections to the top are bearish candles. So it makes me think that the sellers are pushing the price down now. So I don't want to enter long from the top here. Based on the 4 hour.
Yeah, I got a nasty position on gold from last week. Huh. Still in it.
Long?
Yeah. Got it in 1701.74. I secured damn near everything. Got a 0.5 runner. Stops at break even.
The 1 hour looks nasty on GJ, bro.
The 1 hour?
Yeah.
1 hour is still very early though. Look at the 30
No, it's
first.
hella consolidating.
Oh. Every time frame is consolidating. Every time
The
frame.
1 hour looks
Except the 4 hour.
Marsh band.
Yeah, all you need is that breakout candle at this point, L. Then you're good. Then it's on the way.
Because just now
Aren't you afraid?
when I held
Aren't
these
you
longs,
afraid?
right? I thought that it was going to come down to this week lows here to grab liquidity to go up. Somewhere around that area. That's why my stop loss is so big. But I took it on the hour. I didn't trust it on the 15.
Aren't you afraid of this gap right here? It might fill that and then go up.
It might also, yes. So my thought just now was, if it breaks this area and closes below, right, it's coming to fill this area. And then I'll buy it again from there.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, the buys are good right now, but I don't know. All you need is the breakout candle, then it's good.
Nothing for or Europe.
So the 4 hours candles don't change though. It's just normal as usual. Like how the 4 hour candle time frame works. Cause for me, okay, let's go with London session. The normal London session, it would start at 6 a.m. The new 4 hour candle, but now it starts at 7 a.m. for them.
Yes. No, it starts earlier.
Still starts at 6 a.m.
Wait, you're talking about the 4 hour candle or the London open candle?
No, the 4 hour candle. The 4 hour candle.
4 hour candle is earlier by 1 hour now.
Because that's the thing. For me, it says so the new 4 hour candle for London. For me, it starts at 10 p.m. and it's still 10 p.m. So I'm just confused.
Because you haven't hit DST yet. Your clock has DST.
I don't know what that
Like
is.
daylight savings applies on your time.
Oh, they.
Yeah, that's why you
Oh,
still see it as the same timing.
oh, okay. Then it
Yeah,
will
yeah,
change later.
yeah. Later when you change it, then you start to see that it shifts for one hour. But for me, daylight savings doesn't apply for me. So I can literally see the candle close 1 hour earlier.
Cheater. Hell, you're gonna have to start selling those signals, man.
What signals?
You get it an hour before everyone.
I wish.
You want to see what's gonna happen? An hour from now, pay me $1.
I would like over leverage, over risk the shit out.
I wish I could see into the future. Next 4 hour is closing in 40 minutes. That's damn weird. It's like the 1 hour can London opens 1 hour later, the 4 hour candle closes. Best. The charts are a bit funky today. The buyers are holding this area. Exactly. That's why that small part of me thought I was like, am I a bit early? We're still not out of the woods. I need a close above this consolidation. We could be waiting for the 4 hour close also. Let's see. This. I think Raja's stream will still be late by an hour because his clock's already shifted, yes, so he should be 1 hour earlier. US, Canada, same. So he should be on an hour earlier today, I think. Anyway, he'll announce when he's on on the Slack channel. Yeah, should be.
You think gold might have potentially shifted on bullish?
I'm not bullish on it yet. I think it's stuck. For lack of a better word, I think it's stuck. If you look at my chart, right, based on the 4 hour, I can see the bulls trying to push it higher, but if they did, right, and they created a higher low, how come they failed to break the previous high also? So I think it's stuck.
Yeah, I'm thinking it was because of the weekend.
I think it's
You
just
know?
because it bounced off. Previously, it bounced off a weekly support. That's why it had this strong reaction. So bounce off the weekly support, people thought that there were buys because the previous daily closed really strong bullish, right? So people are still buying it. But
Yeah, I bought that right there, literally at the wick somewhere. The daily wick.
that's why I don't trust the longs yet. But if I can get it low enough to this highs here, then I might give it a try. Yeah, but I'm only looking at longs around 1710.
Yeah, but I'm just holding a runner. I literally have positions down here. See how far I can run it to. If it stops me out, but yeah. We'll just have to see.
But you're at BE, right? Like your stop loss is at BE, right?
Yeah, I already collected the profits and everything. Collected 150 pips and let the rest run. See, the 4 hour doesn't have a top wick yet.
On go.
So I'm really, yeah, it has like a baby one. Really wonder what's gonna happen. But on my MT4 it does. Okay.
GJ might be waiting for the 4 hour close. Why it's doing nothing. Today's a weird day when the clocks adjust.
Yeah, they might be getting used to it too.
Yeah, I think so.
Like, oh, we're supposed to start an hour later today. We're early.
This 30 doesn't close above. Means I gotta wait till the 4 hour. Yay. Did you do, Alexi? Did you accidentally click sell? Oh shit. You entered something?
Yeah, it's in the chart.
Where?
I click on the 15-minute flip. GG.
Oh, that one that you sent earlier.
Yeah.
Oops. Well, if this thing closes bearish, you'll be like, good job, Alexi. How did you close it by accident?
I fucking misclicked.
What do you misclick? The close custom button, is it?
Yeah.
You're using the new one, right?
Yeah.
Bruh.
Wait, you got a new one? Are you guys talking about magic keys?
No, we all don't have magic keys. We don't use magic keys anymore. He's helping me to test something.
I use magic keys still. Because it calculates my risk. I'll have to do it on my FX book and stuff like that, you know?
Raja came out with the new magic keys, I just saw.
Yeah, I saw them too. They're like gray now instead of black. I like
And
black
it's
better.
rechargeable now.
Oh, that's the difference.
Yeah, I
Jesus,
guess.
he's smart. That's a marketing move right there, I swear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Intentionally making the first ones with batteries and then the second, but it is intentional because just think about it. And then the second one's just, make it rechargeable for
This
$10 more.
This thing looks like the original magic keys he had. The white one.
Really?
Yeah, he has one white one, the original one.
the
That was
same.
metal. Ours is like the one that we have is plastic. This I think it's
plastic?
metal. Yeah, the black one is plastic.
Oh wow. It
Right?
is.
It's plastic. This looks like metal. I mean, I don't know. I'm not. I don't have it and I don't intend to get it. I'm
Could be
just using my
metal or it
own
could
tool
be
now.
Well, I can't lie. I really liked it. I really like the thing, I use it a lot still. For like partial TPs, and I'll leave my thing on and just, leave the house, and yeah, it's pretty good.
Well, I think it looks like we're about to break.
Alexi,
30
still
minute.
can wait for the 30.
I'm waiting for the
We'll do
30 to
some-
flip down and flip back up.
Yep.
That's actually gonna be around the same
entry,
area,
right?
my entry. Yeah.
Cause the 15-minute, the 30-minute doesn't have a bottom wick, so it's coming.
Yeah.
Be patient.
You closed in profits, right?
Yeah.
That's fine then. Thank God.
Nah, it's fine.
So-
I didn't mean to do it, so I'm pissed off.
I honestly think it could be a blessing because the way GJ is, right, he's very weird now. He's still chopping. So he's not ready to bust the move.
What's your TP? L?
I'm gonna take half off at the wick high and then I'll leave the rest. Daily wick high.
Daily?
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes sense. It's Monday, huh?
Because it's Monday, yeah.
Yeah. But overall, I was looking at 152.798 as weekly resistance for first,
152.798.
yeah.
Yeah, that's my. I have it at 800. That's my. I'm aiming for
Yeah.
that area also.
Yeah, right in that zone somewhere. Yeah, I always get the bodies, so.
Yeah, I put it at the bodies also. But it's just that I rounded up the number.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Let's see. Who am I using? I'm using my
Hey,
own tool.
Dickup.
This thing. So I have the same thing, it's just that it's on. It's sitting on my MT5, so I can do calculations of my risk and everything. I'm not ready to launch this yet because I'm still working out the bugs. When I'm ready, people will know. Definitely not going to be 165, I can promise you that.
It's gonna be 2.
Can you use magic keys with Tradingview? No, you cannot. Only MT4, 5 and C Trader. That's what I know. It's a quoty box. See?
Bro, this is gonna look so like if this flies, this is gonna look so dumb when I journal it.
It's okay. As long as you manage your risk last week, it's fine. So I took a string of losses. I took 1.5 weeks of losses outside. No, this is enough already. I had. So for me, I know that if there's a string of losses for like a week plus, I gotta take some time off the charts. Because it's either I cannot see the charts properly, or the charts are just fucked up. It's both last week. So I just took a break and then I came back. Lexi, what version is your Q box? 201, is it?
Yeah.
Because 201 can move now, the box.
Eh?
Yeah, you can shift the box away. If you click on the top left, you see the little square there. Click it, it will turn blue. Shift.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if it's blocking your way. Okay, bro. It really isn't moving. You might be safe
know.
until the 1 hour close.
I know, but I'm stupid. Stop.
Yeah, you know the feeling when you like close it and then like fuck. Like, where's the rest of the position? Hey, you know what? At least you're using your profits to take the next trade.
Fuck off.
If this 1 hour, the coming 1 hour can close above this resistance here, bye bye GG, we're going up. 4 hour we're flip bullish.
See, that's why I find GJ manipulative sometimes as well.
But it always
Doesn't
does
have a
this.
bottom wick.
Always does this at London Open.
Yeah, like this motherfucker is crazy. He's been crazy. I think you're about to get your close. Let's see on the 5 minute. Yeah, I think you might get your close above with no bottom wick.
What did Andy do? Damn. GG. I only trade GG and Go. But if you have other pairs, I'm okay to look at it. But you gotta mark out the chart. Because price action is price action. It should work the same on all pairs. Yeah, the sellers don't want to let go of this area at 150 to 100. Squeeze. Squeezy. Kevin? Kev, are you trying to talk?
I mean,
Kev, are you trying to talk? You sound like you're whipping somebody in the background.
Is he getting spanked?
I don't know.
I think he's using his skipping rope.
Oh,
I just said it's not me.
sounds like someone's whipping somebody.
You guys talking to me, right?
No, it's not you. It's another person called Kev.
Or Kev? Okay, say Kev.
Yeah, that's why I went Kevin.
like,
I was like, no,
Kev.
cannot. Kev is Kev. Kevin is Kevin.
My other name.
One is Filmer, one is Kev. It's easier already.
Yeah, someone was getting spanked.
I think it's because the 4 hours about to close also. Maybe they are waiting for 4 hour to close. The way I see this gap, right, shows that price is still very bullish. Because if it get down and then it's still close bullish, engulfing the previous 4 hour candle, I think it's still going up. Just that right now this resistance here needs to break first. Very irritating. I cannot math and you cannot past tense, so we are even. Double check.
Fuck. Okay.
Ahmad, if you're in Singapore, I'm in Singapore also, I use Pepperstone. But if you want lower spreads, I know some of them use IC. I've used them before. They are lower. I just don't like their service. So it's a preference. Pepperstone is not a lot higher. If you need other comparisons, then you can go to the link on my YouTube description. Because I've only used Pepperstone, IC, Owender so far. Don't use Owender, that's all I can say. But if you are new, right, don't go live first, just trade demo. Pepperstone Bahamas is up to 100, 1:500. Not sit in front. What's auto trade? Trading someone else's signal? Like just copy trading?
Auto glass repair. Auto glass replace.
That's some ad.
Yeah.
Oh, you've been demo trading for. Oh, okay. Then that's fine. If you've been demo trading, then you should have a broker, right? Or you just like plot your stuff on the chart, but not on a demo trading account.
Once you hit TP1, close 50%. Okay?
Me?
No.
Once
Into my MT5.
before you hit TP1, close 90%. Bro, you gotta change the custom button, yeah? It's default at 90.
Yeah, I did. Okay.
This hour needs to close above the resistance on the left. Come on, GJ. You can do it. Needs to close above this. 8 green.
Bruh, you and these Gollum voices, bro.
I'm bored, bro.
Hey, you okay, man?
No. I took a break and then I came back spot.
Oh, jeez.
I heard of FX View. Same spread with IC but $1 commission. Damn. That's cheap. FX View.
Yeah,
Sick.
sounds like a broker. When you deposit your money, you're never gonna see it go to an account. Just floating somewhere on their website.
I think it's a UK firm.
A lot of brokers out there. A lot of them popping up out of nowhere.
Martin,
You
what?
wanna know a good gaming keyboard?
It depends what kind of keycaps you want. I have two.
Get a QWERTY. I'm actually looking for a new
Keycaps are good.
PC. Actually,
Apple Magic Cube. No, Andy, that's totally not about gaming. IKBC, Martin. I use IKBC.
I only know Razer.
No, Razer expensive.
I only know
Depends,
Razer
you.
game.
Why don't you go to Simlink and go press all the keyboard? Then you feel which one you like. I give you the address for the shop where I
To be
bought
honest,
mine.
I don't even know what I want.
Yeah, you gotta decide. That's why you have to press. It's tactile.
But just that this keyboard I'm using, the keycaps keep getting stuck. While I'm
I
playing.
think your keyboard a bit spoiled. You got it second hand, right?
No, I bought it first hand.
Huh?
Yeah, it's
HP is it?
No, it's a techwear.
Oh damn.
Quite cheap. That's why I think.
Throw away. I have one. I have one IKBC. The other one is Mistel. I bought it from the same shop. Yeah, go down there and press. Really trust. You press already, right? Then you be like, oh, this is the one. Then get it. It's 100 plus.
But
Worth
it's all
going to
like-
the shop.
To me, all is all the same. I don't know.
No,
like
bro. The keycaps got difference one. Blue, red, silent blue. Yeah,
now
got
I'm using
difference.
is
Yours sounds like blue or brown.
I think it's blue.
You pluck out, you can see it.
Yeah, it's blue.
Yeah, it sounds like blue.
Wait, how do you see?
You pluck out underneath, you can see it. Oh wait,
See
cannot.
what?
What's the color?
Black.
Okay, never mind. Mine can see. I think most of the brokers are going to the Caribbeans because they're trying to go unregulated so that they can maintain their leverage. It's like Pepperstone IC all went into Seychelles, Bahamas. And withdraw. This one is also regulated in the UK. They have their license there also. Should be fine. Yeah, Ducky is good also. I used before.
Lucky.
Ducky. Ducky is Taiwanese, I think. IKPC also. IC went to Cyprus, not Seychelles. I get it wrong.
Oops, sorry.
Oh, they have. I think they have a few. So this is the original one, right, in Australia. Then this is IC Europe. So Europe is in Cyprus. Seychelles is the one that is quote unquote unregulated. So you can have higher leverage. But this has been around for like very long already. Don't think they really have any issues. Serif, are you in Europe? I think you can choose. Because Alexi chose his to be global, IC global.
If you set your thing to global, you're gonna be in the
Seychelles.
Seychelles one.
Yeah. Then your leverage is different, I think.
Yeah. I'm not gonna get affected by ASIC and all of that shit.
Yeah. Can you change it to global? Your highest leverage is 500, right, now? On IC?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I don't know if that's the highest, but I think it's the highest.
Yes.
But that's mine right now. That's my account right now. 1 of 500.
As long as it's not double digit, I'm fine. Martin, I think it depends whether you want bling bling lights or you don't want.
No, I want just good keyboard.
All the keyboards there are okay. You just really gotta press. Go down there and click the keyboard, right? Your WASD keys. You're gonna key Then you see how you feel. Very hard to, yeah, it's a tactile thing. I cannot tell you which keyboard is good. You want the, I give you the shot.
On the very soft one, you know.
Soft then is, it might be silent rates though if you want soft. It's like you've pressed and like got sponge feeling.
Silent rates.
Silent rate is like soft one. Plus air also can.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
they're all different brands. It's just see which design you like. I know Corsair has like this metallic keyboard that is damn nice.
Razer has their own what's it called? The red, blue, brown, all that. They have their
Yeah,
own.
yeah. They named it something else, but it's the same shit. Bro, get the bling bling kind lah. Got like nice what?
But quite wasted. I just bought this keyboard like 2 months ago.
How much do you pay?
Forgot already. I think like 60, 70.
Damn. And my keyboard can last very long one.
No, but the WASD keep getting stuck. Then like.
If you eat, then you drop something below.
No.
We got 4 more minutes till the 4-hour candle close. Oh, this 4-hour candle closes above the resistance. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
1930.
1930. Bruh. No. I honestly don't know. 59. I really don't know the year. I know the date. That's more important.
Isn't Micro's going forward on her birthday as well?
Yeah. I just need to know 28 March. The year is unimportant.
Why your mom copy me, man?
Bro, my mother was born first. Why you copy her? Then I send you the shop.
Okay.
Go down there. Press until you happy.
Extreme solution.
I'll give you the website also.
Best gaming keyboard 2021.
Bro, you're gonna come up with something that's damn fucking expensive.
Q series, Corsair, Razer Huntsman, Keychron.
That's mine. Son. I have this one. And it's squishy.
What's that? Missile.
Mister, yeah. It really looks like this. But I got the silent red keycaps. So that
Okay, but can you game with it though? On
yes,
a high level? Like
you can. You can. It's just there's no sound.
Tournament level, can you do that?
Bro, but you're not professional.
Damn.
I'm join a Singapore esports team.
Can trust.
What do you play, Marty?
He plays Overwatch CSGO,
Oh,
otherwise known
man.
as Valorant.
Oh my god. You better off going professional in Minecraft instead of Valorant.
Professional Minecraft.
That game's garbage.
Is that even a thing?
And the cost. Links. Bitch.
Oh, look at this
Oh.
one. Really, this keyboard is nice. You can see I go for the aesthetics. They have a shop on Lazada. Damn.
My friend.
Oh,
Gold closed beautifully on the 4-hour,
Oh,
man.
4-hour close
good morning,
bullish.
morning.
The fuck was that?
Good morning, everyone.
Funniness.
Oh,
What
yo.
up? That was you the first time?
Yeah.
You heard that too?
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck was that?
Yeah. He was like, whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, I was like, I thought I was tripping.
He just woke up. Bruh. 4-hour.
Yeah, I woke up earlier, looked at GJ.
Went
Nah.
back to sleep.
Yeah.
Barely
And
That's
closed
what
the
I do
mouth.
too, bro. That's what I do too.
I still looked at it. I'm like, nah.
It's a bit iffy today. But at
I
least the
look on my
4-hour is
phone.
bullish.
I look at my phone, and if I don't like what I see, I turn right back around, go right back to sleep.
Oh, damn. Gold 4 close hella good. What the fuck?
Yeah, bro.
Damn.
But there's no
That's
space
strong bullish.
to the upside.
Huh?
There's no space. What if it fills the wick and come down? You want to trade that? Where's your...
I'm in a good position. I'm good. Gucci.
Yeah, your entry's way lower than that, I swear.
Yeah.
Yeah, you good.
And imagine me, because holding gold, imagine holding this for a passive income trade. Like Alexi did. But like gold should always keep going up. So, Jesus. Imagine me catching it back to the $2,000 to OZ. Jesus.
Did you see what BTC did on IC market?
No. What
Oh, I
happened?
saw that. I saw that.
What?
The fat
They
low wick,
had
right?
a craziest week. It's like they said they had technical problem.
Damn.
Yeah, it was a glitch on IC. It
Oh.
left a wick. It left a wick that went down to like 9,000.
Shit.
Yo, then you know them people like I had two BTC trades going on, yeah, and one of them got closed by itself, like
Oh,
automatically.
Where? I wanna see.
I see
Nah,
market.
you
I don't
I
think
think
it's
I
there.
think they corrected it, but I've got a picture though.
Damn.
Show it.
See.
Hold on, let me find the pic.
You took a picture also?
What?
Nah, my friend sent me it. Oh
So
shit.
they sent, but they did return me. They returned my money. Though. They returned me
Oh?
some money.
Really? How come?
Yeah. Because basically they returned money to everyone who was on a long position.
Oh.
Yeah, but if
That
you
means
were
they just
selling,
broke even your trade.
no. They gave me profit.
Wow.
I would never have taken it because I entered at 40,
Did they give you a choice?
45K. Huh?
Did they give you a choice whether to keep it or to take their money?
Oh, they didn't give me a trade. Like they literally closed my trade for me, and it's
Oh.
like it closed my trade.
Okay.
So they gave everyone like, if you're in a long, they gave everyone like their profit to 61K when BTC was at 61K. Oh,
I don't know, Alexi. I don't trust the 4-hour close. It's very dodgy. On go. I feel like it's gonna fill the wick and that's about it. If you're lucky. Or maybe like 3/4 of the wick and then that come back down. Is there US news today? I don't think so, right? Yeah, nothing.
No, there's not much news today actually. There's CAD, and that's it.
Hmm. But if you buy the 4-hour, right, your stop loss will be the week low, right?
No, I'm not buying yet.
Alright, guys, time for me to go sleep. Try to come later.
Bye
Oh, yeah,
bye.
bro.
Good night.
GJ closed slightly above the bodies only, slightly. But it didn't break the 1-hour resistance. So I think it's still going to range.
Why the candle like that one? Oh my god.
At least you're in from the bottom, bro.
Yeah.
It's been bouncing at my break even for like the freaking longest time.
Why the candle? It's like side by side. What
But
you
the last
doing?
time, I think it personally what I've noticed, right, is every time there's DST, the time shift, the candle always look like this.
Ooh.
It has like no direction. It's very, very freaking choppy. Let's go find your keyboard lah.
I will be playing my game, but I'm taking a break from it.
Wow, because your keys got stuck.
No, I can still play. I got fatigue. Gaming fatigue.
Wow.
It exists. Did you go to the gym today?
Oh, hi. Facial just now.
Are you going tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Hmm.
Clock.
Hmm.
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 I can only go like Tuesday, Wednesday this week only. Because I got
Hmm.
tuition.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Oh, what's this weird message?
Hmm.
Oh, is it the weird... What's that? Remember last week the person that sent me a stupid dick pic?
Huh? What?
Oh,
Yeah, Martin, you weren't
I
here.
saw. I thought you blocked him.
I think there's another person now in the chat.
Oh,
really?
Yeah, Christ first.
Okay. Christ first.
Now I think there's another one.
What in the world?
What is the smell?
This person preaching in my chat. What?
Get out.
Oh, I forgot Martin has the hammer.
Yeah. Get
Damn,
out of my town.
this man's so Christian. Ian was like, nah.
We are Switzerland, we are neutral. Hey, this keyboard damn nice.
Oh, I sent
The
it to
colours.
you on Slack. Yeah.
Ducky keyboard. What's the
Cheers.
actual name of it? Ducky what?
I give you the link. Now see the zoom.
Oh, the tuxedo.
Tuxedo 2.
Hmm? Oh, I sent it to you on Slack.
Yeah, wait, hang on. I don't usually have my Slack open. Wow, my god. What kind of nonsense scandal is this?
It's disgusting.
It stabbed your account and then it came back.
That's like stop loss hunt.
Wow.
I think it's a liquidity grab.
Wow.
Stop
It
loss
stabbed the account. Damn. Did they do? Like. This best price. Wow. Cash adjustment, so what do they mean? Like they refund you at this price?
Yeah,
The
they'll
number of
refund you
units
at
that you have.
61. If you're on a long, they'll refund you at 61K 670.
Or times the lot size that you have.
But then
Okay.
if you're in a short, they said they only they'll reimburse you like £100, and if your loss was greater than 100, they'll reimburse you 10%.
Wait, can you win if let's say you short, then it went down like so much? Do you take the profits?
How to close?
Bro,
This is like probably
I don't-
split second, I think.
No, what if your TP is like at like 10,000 for some reason? Just imagine.
You miss You miss. Because this thing only went until like 12,000 plus only.
Okay, let's say your TP is at 20k.
Oh damn.
I don't think they will take your
Honor.
position out.
Oh.
But if it's stop loss, they will take you out.
Oh, that's messed up.
Wait, they won't take
Yeah, I
your TP?
think that's manipulation, right?
Damn. They give you the stop loss, but they don't give you the TP. That's messed up, man. Shit. What happened? Someone slept on the keyboard and then oops.
And this DP is very it's
Disturbing.
yeah.
I can't take it away, it's not even on my screen.
It's super disturbing. Oh my god.
What picture?
One of me as a clown. Suck. Bruh. Eh? Lexi, look. Your trade was closed well.
Nah,
Shitty, man.
we will firm the range.
The thing is, the range is like slowly going higher.
Alex,
I
you still
know.
in the gold trade?
Nah. It hit my trade and stop.
Okay.
Bless you.
Yeah, and this display pic is better.
I know, right? It's so handsome.
Damn, my screen just cracked.
Damn, you should probably get a new one.
Okay, I have a backup.
Backup not good enough.
Continue ranging. Ring.
OMG.
OMG. I cannot. At least you're ranging in profits, bro. I'm ranging in drawdown. I range for damn long already. I'll let it break out of the range first. Then close above this resistance. I think that's why it's having trouble. Even the 4-hour close also not very solid.
Is 1.2K DPI high?
I don't know eh. I'm not sure. That's the display resolution, right? For your game, right?
No. It's the mouse sensitivity.
Oh, I don't know. You wanna change your mouse also?
No. I'm just asking if anybody knows.
Don't you know, bruh? Ask those that game.
Bro, I just buy any mouse. I don't really use them to play games. So.
Yeah,
Mouse is a mouse.
I used to game with a Microsoft mouse for office work, kind of. So I have no idea all of this stuff.
It depends. 0.2K. Let's see, Go is filling the wake.
True.
Sell from on top. Oh, a slow Monday, man. As usual. Martin, you serious about KFC? I just saw it. I was doing something. What was my reason for entering in the range and why did I take this trade? I entered on the 1 hour just now, way earlier. It's just been sitting there for 3 hours. So this candle earlier, this candle here, it closed above all the candles here. Why didn't I buy above? Don't know, no reason. To me, this area here, right, if price was making higher lows on the 1 hour, closing above all these candles that it consolidated in Asia, I waited for price to make a lower wick, and when it flipped bullish, I entered long. Just how I've always taken my trades. So it's not really doing anything, it's just consolidating. I took it on the hour, I didn't take it on the lower time frame. And if I were to buy it above 152, 100, I'm not sure about the range to the daily wick high at 152, 230. So yeah. It's just a preference, I think. I took it on the 1 hour. That's why when you see my stop loss is so big. It's 20 pips. But this price action is just, I'm still in the trade. I didn't cut any because I still see higher lows forming on the 1 hour slowly. Nothing is telling me to get out yet. I don't think so, Andy. Yeah. Very annoying. Alexi, aren't you glad your finger slipped?
Nope.
You want to be in drawdown with me? Oh, so nice.
I'm not in drawdown, I think. Let me see.
Oh yeah, you wouldn't because you were all the way at the bottom. You'll be at BE now, I think.
Oh no, it's actually hovering near my entry. Oh, I'm not faced. It hasn't given me a reason to close yet.
Yeah, on the 15th, bullish engulfing, bullish engulfing, bullish. Buyer holding, buyer holding. Really no reason to get out. You just come on, man. Do something.
It's just slow.
Yeah, it's just slow.
That's really it. It's just slow.
Mm. This was like a comb on the hour.
Oh my god. You know what?
Hmm?
I can't be asked to go get McDonald's.
Yeah, go. Oh,
Far.
bruh.
Actually, you know it's not even that far. I'm just.
Lazy.
Let me see.
Is it cold? No, right?
It's 8 degrees. That's fine. It's not too bad.
I mean, it's gonna be breakfast time. That's nasty. Like,
Well, the queue will probably be very long, right?
McDonald's breakfast is just nasty.
I don't mind it, to be honest. But then again, my fucking taste palette is quite stupid, so
Don't trust.
like I don't mind almost anything. Almost. That's a key word, almost.
Limited breakfast menu. Limited breakfast menu. So sad.
You know, I'm just gonna make some purge. I'll go later.
Isn't this like a regular menu? How
What
is
do you
this
mean?
limited? There's so many items on your breakfast menu. Damn.
I've never had their pancakes before. Oh,
Get it.
yeah, I think that's what Andy means. Nah, I don't want pancakes.
Oh, you can only buy one. They limit the orders. Damn.
Yeah, man, food shortage.
No, he's joking. Andy sat in his car and queued for damn long, I remember.
Yo,
Bruh.
$1.99 for a Big Mac. It looks like I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that because I haven't had McDonald's for like probably almost a year now.
Wait. Hey, yo, my hand was cold. Leave.
Bruh.
Listen, that's a habit, okay?
Bruh.
When your hands are cold, so you do. You understand?
No.
Listen, I wouldn't expect someone who's never been cold to understand.
Bruh.
Bro, why are you guys focusing on my camera so much, man?
Because your thing is flashing.
Wow, okay. So what?
And then you flashed
know-
us.
Wow, okay. Where's my thing, bro?
In your pants.
Fuck off.
Yeah, Alexi, see what Andy said. We are the one that should ask you, be asking you.
Because I didn't realize it's a habit.
No wonder he has so much cream in his room.
Wow, okay.
Oh, going.
Cool.
How are you doing, Alexi? First you put your hand down your pants. Then you show us your armpits. What's wrong with you today, bruh? You is quite gross also. Those who are on the charts, please entertain yourselves. No need to stare. I don't think you really need to stare at the charts. GG is just doing nothing. It's going up and down at the same place. Do something, don't force a trade. Might be retracing for another lower high. So those in longs, please be careful. Because the 4 hour on gold has been making lower highs on the 4 hour. So 4 hour break, retest lower high, lower high, lower high. Can't draw today. Lower high, all the way. This one broke. This one made a higher low, but it failed to break this high. So I don't trust the longs yet. So those in longs, please be careful. Andy, can you see my sign? Video. Press it again. Hey, can you see my sign? It's on YouTube only. It's a like sign. Yes, you can't see it. Again. The bottom right. There, it's there. Bluff me. You see the little square box? This is damn apt. Look at what Freighter sent. That's me. Breaking the support. And do you see the bearish candle failing to break the bullish lows, is it? That's why you wanna enter? I'm not talking, G. Nothing. It's just ranging. So I'm not talking. And are you in the trade also? It looks like it's holding. Because the way I see the bearish candles, they are still holding the support here. So you see the bearish candles, they come down, but they still hold support. And then they close above. So to me, it means the buyers are still holding this area. And when I go down to the 15, because on the 1 hour I can't really see the structure, right? But when I look at the 15, the candle bodies, they are bullish engulfing every time they reach this green area, and it's a bullish rejection candle. So that's why I'm still holding onto my trade, even though I'm in drawdown. G, you gotta ask your questions if you want to know something. Because I don't know what you don't know. Yeah, and you're welcome. Stop at 90 Asian. Oh, okay. Oh, you should be fine. You're floating in profits. Just that it's not really pushing off. 980. Here, right? Somewhere here. When it broke. Somewhere here? When it broke above. After the 4-hour close bullish. Entered on the wick rejection to the Asian lows. Yep, valid. It's just that it didn't push. The weird Monday. Yeah, G, I think patience is number one. You gotta see what kind of structure is forming right now. If you're new, this is something you do not want to trade. You will get chopped up and down, up and down. So if you don't have the patience or you don't understand your analysis, right, don't take a trade like this. So for me, I knew what I was looking for. I knew where my trade would be invalid. That's why I took the trade. And I'm fine sitting in this drawdown here. Gotta understand. Not then, if you have other charts, you can send them in the chat also. Cool. That's why those who are in long space, be careful. Just now I think those who were here earlier with me, I said I think that gold will push up to about 3/4 of this wick and then it will come down and make a lower high, followed from here. Because the bearish pressure on the 4-hour chart is a bit too strong for my liking. We go long here. So yes, those in longs, be careful. When am I trading? Am I using top-down analysis? Yes. Time frame I entered the trade. For this trade, it was the 1 hour. So I have multiple. Sometimes I enter on the 1 hour, sometimes I enter on the 4, sometimes I enter on the 15 minutes. It depends on the structure and the time of the trade. If you understand structure and you have your zones drawn up correctly, right? Your structure should hold. There's no one fixed rule as to what time frame you have to enter off. Oh. No, just now I was asking you, Andy, like, are you looking to enter long because the bearish candles didn't break the bullish candle lows? Like something like that. They're holding this area.
Yeah, I think the long is still very valid.
Just
And this,
very
and this
slow.
moment.
Yeah, but how would you have entered your longs?
At the moment, I haven't found anything yet. I could enter like in the previous week, but the thing is, the only thing for me is like this move right here is so I don't want to be trapped in.
Yeah, this corrective.
Yeah, probably if it does go up, then I'm waiting for 1 hour close, convincing me to go long, and then waiting for the pullback week.
But usually, yeah, but usually if you see something like this, right?
Yeah.
Does it make you think that it will go down, then it will go up?
It's not, in my opinion. It's just because this high right here will be taken. It's just like a gaining momentum to break. But it's also often that after this impulse, right, it's manipulate you and then down, but it will not break this low and then going up.
Yeah.
So that's also possible. But I think looking at the structure, I think it's only going up, in my opinion.
Yeah. I'm like quite sure that this daily wick will fail.
Yeah,
It's just
I think so.
I got to sit through this very, very slow drawdown, that's all. But I think this daily wick will fail today. But above, I'm not sure.
Like from this high, right? We're going down and then we're slowly building momentum like this. And then eventually like keep going up. So yeah, I think. Yeah, that's for me, in my opinion. Where is your stop loss? Is it below this candle here?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
I gave it damn a lot of space. Because my fear is, right, if price wants to manipulate down, the liquidity is here. At where all the wicks are stopping. So I gave it more space than I normally do.
Yeah, it's just big. Yeah, a little bit be careful because it could probably they don't respect the 1 hour structure, but they respect the 4 hours. It's just this low 4 hours, and if you see there is a lot of space. But if you're talking about the current structure, I feel like we could just going up, like creating higher lows. Yeah.
You're talking about this candle low?
This big candle here.
Oh, yeah.
Because this two candle is already like not convincing you. For me.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
For the longs, right?
Yeah. That's why I just wait for further confirmation.
Yeah. The thing is, this candle, right, when it closed like this, I was like, oh my god, shit, it's gonna continue ranging because it doesn't show like it has the power to push yet. So I think it's just waiting for New York for the next session's volume to come in.
Just about the hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
But if it might come down actually. I thought I got in too high actually. Like maybe, like a part of me, I was thinking I might be a bit too high.
In which candle are you in? Were you in? In this candle, the blue one?
After the blue one closed.
The blue one.
Yeah. After the blue one closed, then I waited for it to make a lower wick, and then when it went bullish, then I went in. Like how I normally do last time.
It's slightly higher. I think because it looks higher because 4 hours doesn't move a lot, and also 1 hour ranging like this, so it does look but
high.
Yeah, it does look high, but it's still valid. So
plus I see, like I think a lot of people are looking at like this is like a what, triple top, or if you go onto the 4 hour, then it will form a double top. And I think people will sell it.
Double top, triple top for me is like a postponed continuation.
Yeah.
It's like but it will creating a higher low and then push back up. But it's just a matter of where is the
low.
proper low.
Yeah, correct. It could feel to this area also. This gap here.
Yeah, there's no lower wick here.
Don't have.
But if we're talking about wick also, I think in this wave we have like no bottom wick. I think in this candle right here.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, there's no bottom wick as well. So it's not guaranteed that it will be filled immediately.
This candle, the gap down, right, tells me that the buyers are still pushing the price up. Because for it to gap down and still close so strong bullish engulfing, right, I think it still wants to go up. It's just that this resistance here, because it's a 4 hour and a daily resistance, it needs volume, which as you can see from these 3 candles, there wasn't any. Yeah.
Yeah, but I think if you're only looking at this perspective, it will take the high, I think.
At least to the wick, right? Beyond that, I'm not sure.
Because the bull pressure here is pretty strong. It's just now because this is also the supply area for people that trading supply and demand.
Yeah.
Just about the patience, I think. I'm still waiting.
Yeah.
You full risk in this one?
Yeah, I accidentally pressed full risk. Because I forgot to adjust the settings. Just whatever. Just watching the candles.
Yeah, but if you believe in it, then just stick with it.
Yeah. I was supposed to go 1% because it's a Monday. But oops. I forgot to change my auto settings.
Yeah.
Double top is like a M, right? So means what? It will do something like...
Yeah, double top is an M.
The M, right?
Yeah,
so
M. W
then
is bottom.
Boom.
Bottom.
Yeah. I don't know. Anyway, this hasn't closed yet.
It don't always happen. So like.
But double top and double bottom will never change the trend.
Yeah. You will just correct for a bit and then it will continue.
Yeah, for the trend to be changed, it needs a new higher high or lower low. Double top is just like like when you want to drive faster, you need to feel fuel.
Yeah. People trading imbalance and stuff like that, they're calling this area.
Yeah, there are plenty. I must say there are plenty room for the price to pull back.
Yeah, same.
Like I said, there is no Yeah, it's a 50-50, but it's totally still bullish.
Yeah, the only thing I'm worried is if it comes down, right? Because now it's not really pushing up. So I think it looks to me like there's a chance that it will make a liquidity grab into this area to go up. Which is also around my FIB area. But I can't have my stop loss so big, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, but to be honest with you, like I think if I'm you at this moment, I will move my stop loss tighter to below this blue candle.
Why?
Because it doesn't make sense if we're coming back down again. In my opinion. You see that from this candle here, this candle here, this candle here, it's already like 1 or 2 pips different. That's for me though, because yeah, but if you're comfortable to be here, then it's okay.
Yeah, to me, if I squeeze it and I get hit, right, I'll feel even worse actually.
Yeah, that's also
because it's not.
problem.
Yeah, it's not really a lot of difference already. Like for me, how many pips is this? If I'm here, this like what 22, right? If I shift it here, I save like 7. But if I get stopped, oh, I will cry. And then it continues up. Because the thing is, if you're asking me to shift it below this blue candle, right? This zone, I believe it's holding. And this zone, I got it from the 15. The 15 week lows. Based on the bodies. Yeah, so that's why I don't know, I just gave it space below the whole area. Like far away from it. It's like last Wednesday, wow, that stupid trade where I got hit, right? I was so pissed off already. Because I was correct and then I got hit because spread plus other things. Oh, that was painful, man. The thing is, okay, Mohammed, I get reducing risk. But the thing is, if I accounted for my risk to this wick low, that means for my analysis to be invalid, right? It has to break this area for it to come down to this area here. So I do see a potential of price coming here. Yes. But in order for that to happen, right, it must break below this. None of the candles have even done that. That's why if you ask me to squeeze my stop loss, I don't really want to do that. Because I already accounted for this much of risk in terms of the loss.
I think it's okay because you already counted in advance, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I counted in advance.
If you lose, then that's the amount you are ready to lose.
Yeah, correct. Because if I do like how Raja does it, right? Like if it breaks the wick low, I cut it. I would have cut this trade like a long time ago already. But I don't have reasons to cut it. Like structurally, it's holding. Like if it's holding this green box, why should I cut it? Yes, there's a potential of a double top. Yes, there's a potential of a reversal. Then if I saw all those potential and I wasn't comfortable taking the trade there, right? To be honest, I shouldn't even have been long. But the fact that I took the longs means that I'm willing to lose the money if the double up does form and then it comes down lower before going up. That's the way I see it. I don't like to keep finessing my stop loss, if that makes sense. There's no guarantee this will come down also. You guys don't need to pray for me. If you accounted for your loss, right? This is natural. The fact that these few candles didn't push off at London Open, but it's still holding the structure. I knew that I had to sit through this nonsense for a bit more. So there's no hope in trading. It's only watching your candles and understanding the probabilities of my trade. It's either I cut all or I don't cut at all. Or I take or don't take the trade. There's no half. Tip on the daily chart from what? My GG trade. Okay. If you guys are not comfortable, don't take it. But I took it, it's my money. So I expected the risk. If I eat the loss, I'll eat it live. Where's the daily fib? This? If this is my daily fib, right, then I'm 100% not supposed to enter. Yeah, if I have this fib here. But for me, I didn't have this daily fib. I think it's still the golden for it to continue bullish. Not so low, because like I said on the 4 hour, this bullish candle like this on the gap, right, the way I'm reading it, higher lows forming last week, right? So then after that it came down, it held this level of previous resistance on the 4 hour that became support. So when this thing gapped down and closed bullish, to me the buyers were still holding. The only thing is on this 4 hour fib I have, it might come down deeper. So that's why I thought I might be high on the trade. So if I look at this 4 hour now, it might come and pull back into this area and then hit me. Stop loss. But I cannot expand my stop loss too big because it will ruin my analysis in terms of my 1 hour trade. So 1 hour structure that I saw, this is the low, and then this was the high that I saw. So if it wants to break this low, break the 50, go for the 61 or go for the 78.6, right, then it's fine by me. I can take my stop first and I'll wait to enter again. It's just probabilities. So if you're uncomfortable with this, please don't take the trade, obviously. You don't have to take every trade I take. The candle has no bottom wick. Do I see it as a concern? Not really. I'm not really very concerned that the daily doesn't have a bottom wick. I definitely see what all of you are seeing, trust me. This is not very fun. Like sitting in Jordan for 3 hours. Why did I change my trading method? Because when I start to do the streams, I used to trade like Raja. No, when I started the streams, I never traded like Raja actually. I never took 10. I will partial stop loss, yes. But and partial TP maybe, but I will never take 10. I never took 10 even when I first started, I think. Because I always trade structure. Even my zones were drawn differently from him. Don't trade the 15-minute this week confirmation. Well, I can see. So for me, I can see the structure on the 15. To me, right, when I look at the 30 and the 15, it's the same thing. Right? It's just that on the streams, if I want to, with my Zoom guys, I talk to them differently. Because on the streams, there are people of different levels. So if I were to tell you the 15 minutes is a safe structure to take, right, a lot of newbies will lose. I can guarantee that. Because the 15-minute is very noisy. But I can easily see structure. Like to me, this is the, on the 15 on the 1, I can see the structure. I know that this green area is a 1 hour zone. So when price reacts in the area, I just want to see the information faster. That's why I use it. So if you're new, don't use it. That's all I'm saying. So when I first started the stream, I wanted to accommodate to other people's trading style. In the end, I was like, no, never mind. I'll just trade my own style and I'll explain it as I go along.
Up, y'all?
Hey, what's up, babe?
I'm here.
4 hour. 4 hour for trend, 15 for entry. Sometimes. This one was a 1 hour entry. So it's not all. It's really not all the time. So you got to understand the structure. So for me, when I saw that the 15-minute was doing this, it was a bit messy, so I looked on the 1 hour because the candles were forming better structure here for me. Higher lows earlier. So when I took the trade, the chart looked like this. So everybody's very concerned now. Like, when I took the trade, the chart looked like this. So it looked like this to me. So for me, on the hour close, right, bullish confirmation to show that buyers were holding. Higher lows were forming. My 4 hour was also bullish. The only problem I had was this resistance here. So when this, I even gave it time to confirm that it wanted to go up. So I let the lower wick form first. When it flipped, then I went in. So nobody will know this thing will happen. Because I was also anticipating that London would do this shit to me and then go up. So that's why I gave space. So I did everything that I had to do. Price didn't do what I wanted to do. It's just the way it is. So if it hits my stop loss, it's fine. Because I already accounted. It's just whatever. I cannot help this. Yeah, the only thing that I also consider is, could it be at the top? That's the only thing.
Do you mind if I comment real quick on that?
Yeah.
It's a strong possibility that it is at a top. Because I think I remember you saying earlier that that it was holding around that green area. So the way I usually look at situations like that, because most people think it's the chart. It's not. It's never really the chart. It's just what the price is doing on that chart. So since it's holding in the green, instead of the level it's holding, I'm watching at like how it's holding at that price. It taps it a couple times, but for me, it doesn't come out of that level as it usually does, like it has been for this last couple of weeks. Just for me, I wouldn't have took the trade, just because yes, it held a couple of times there. It also had had this area here that would really worry me. But there's nothing wrong with that trade because you manage your risk well.
It is high.
Me, I just saw, you're right. So for me, I just saw signs like I said before, this last couple of weeks, it's been the buyers have been going crazy. But for some reason, at this particular level, it's hit once, it hit twice, it hit 3 times, and the buyers just can't get there. It's slowing down, slowly slowing down. And then you have this zone right here that sellers just took it over and sold it off recently. So that would really worry me. So for me, if I did want to buy and I did see that, for me, I would want to wait until it breaks this and then retrace either somewhere above this or somewhere within a weekly level.
Now, if I wanted to, another area I was looking for buys, right? Like, because I see this wick filling. To me, this wick, right? This was my first target. Definitely my first target. I am not super confident of above, but I'm quite sure it will fill today. This area here. So the only problem with my trade that I can see now is I think I should have gotten it lower on the retrace. So I think it will come down lower into like 700 to 800 to continue pushing up. Because this is a strong resistance here. It probably is a bit too high now to bounce off the 38 to continue up.
So where did you buy it at?
On this 1 hour here.
Okay.
Yeah. Took it at London, pre-London, right before London open.
Yeah, that's like in the middle there.
Yeah.
Usually before market opens, it's kind of a scary time, especially within the range, because you don't know where it's going to go. So once that market opens, it's all, you know, hands to the wall. But it's still a good trade overall because you realize something was wrong, so all you really did was just manage your risk. Yeah, it front ran to 50% right now, so I'm waiting to see if it wants to break that or not.
This 50 that I have.
Yeah. But yeah, that's why I'm saying it's still a good trade because you realize there's a possibility it could come down a little bit more than you wanted to, so you left it more room and at the same time mitigated your risk.
Yeah. But if it really still wants to come in deeper, then I really cannot do anything. I said let it come in deeper. Because my threshold was this green area. Because that's the way I read the structure. Because if it does come in deeper, right, then I'll just wait at the 78.6 or something. Because that's the next area is gonna stop. Finally, I think he broke the 4-hour lows already. I hit my stop, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, he broke the 4-hour lows. It was a bit dangerous already. If this thing still flips bullish, it's going to fly so freaking high. But I think it's going to come down deeper. It's like 151, 700, I think.
Let me see, 4 hours. It broke the high, the low.
Yeah, it broke the lows. Both candle lows. Yeah, so it's looking a bit dodgy already. I think it's going to come down deeper for the retracement.
The best London session, eh?
Wow, fucking best. What a way to start my break.
Does it hit already or not?
No, not yet.
Alright.
Because I placed it, the reason why I placed it there, right, is based on the 1 hour. This area here had resistance. When price broke above it, it tested that resistance and then it bounced off and broke. So it made a new high after that. That's why I was like, okay, this area should hold. If this zone doesn't hold, then it is what it is. Yeah, and I really cannot do anything with it because it's gonna come down so deep, and I don't even know if it will stop at the 78, but it will definitely stop. I'm very sure it will stop before this bullish candle. What did MJ read? You want to Google Hindsight?
Yeah, I wanted to tag Alexi, but the Hindsight. But I checked myself.
Yeah, I was like, why you type? Why you add yourself?
Like, was dumb.
Wait, what?
So he wanted to type to you, but he sent a message to himself. Max, UK, US, Canada, moved their clocks forward. UK is 28th of March, 2 weeks later. Is it 2 weeks? Yes, 2 weeks.
Oh, Andy, is that the retracted message?
Yes.
Yeah. I wanted to thank you, but I took myself.
Oops.
Bloomers.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of hindsight traders today. If they were thinking, or if they had reasons, then why did they not say it before? Then we could have talked about it. Why you only say when it actually does it?
I think it's okay for you to share opinion and everything like that because we all
Yeah.
traders, right? But
Yeah.
if Elle has a stream, then don't change her perspective. Like if she has a position already, she already counted the risk and everything like that. So let her be, you know.
Luckily, I'm not like a wishy-washy trader.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if I am, then I'm like, oh, everybody say cut. Okay, I cut. Then I go short. Then after I lose, then I go long. Oh, fuck, man.
Then after that, the long lose. Then you go range. Then you lose.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, like when you're in position, the worst thing you get is like the opinion. Like makes you want to close the trade, and then as soon as you close,
the thing flips.
The trade goes into your direction.
Yeah.
So I mean, yeah.
It is what it is. That's why just now when you asked me to move the stop loss, right? Like I asked you why first, because I wanted to see whether it's valid. Because if it makes sense to me, then yeah, I mean, I don't see why I cannot move the stop loss there. But the thing is, my threshold that I counted was, in order for my analysis to be wrong, is this area breaking.
Yeah, that's why it's also valid. You know, it's like if you already count your risk and you already, if you lose, then it's okay. Yeah. But yeah.
Oh, it's...
I wish it flips.
Yeah, doesn't matter. The people that said it just now, they're all not here already. They went to Raja's stream. I can guarantee.
Hindsight.
Yeah. Alexi, lucky you
Because
didn't
I
take the
just
gold trade long. Get it?
yeah.
Exactly what I said.
I didn't even have enough confidence for it in the first place, to be honest.
It's just the wick fill, right? That was potential. But I wasn't gonna fill the whole wick. Very, very tough.
Which week you're talking about?
Done.
The upper week?
Done. The bearish one.
Oh.
Yeah. Because just now they were saying like this rejection was a good rejection on the 4 hour. But the thing was,
yeah,
4 hour is lower highs. Even this high, even though it pushed, right, it failed to break this. That's why I was like, oh, this is damn dodgy. Yeah, that's why when this thing pushed up, I was like, oh man, this is another lower high. If this thing goes up, it's only going to fill 3/4 of the way and then come back down.
I feel like we could go back to like 17, 15 at least.
Same. See my orange dotted line? That's exactly where I have it. Yeah. I want to buy from there.
Yeah, me too. I've been like looking and then I said, oh no, maybe I will give it like 1 or 2 days. Because I'm more into swinging gold.
Yeah, it's easier, right, to ride out the minor movements. And if you swing gold when it trends, right, it trends damn hard.
Yeah.
The only thing about gold is you just gotta give it like a logical amount of space. But it's a lot easier to trade it on the 1 hour. Cleaner. For me anyway.
Actually,
but we read gold correctly, like even in bullish, like when it went up, we said that it's gonna down, but we just missed the sell opportunity last week.
Last week, yeah.
Because it happened in fucking Asia.
Those people that bought high, oh my god. It did sell off actually. People were looking to buy here after the bullish close, right? The daily. Bullish close. People were looking to buy, I remember. Before I went for my break.
Yeah.
People were looking to buy on this strong bullish engulfing daily close.
They were talking about the engulfing.
And then I was like,
about the engulfing.
Yeah. Wow, to a T, man. You should have just placed a sell limit there. Sell and blind. Close your eyes. Oh, it's your stop loss. Buyers are really trying. They are really trying. I really do think this might hit.
Oh my god. EA looks disgusting.
Yeah, man. I what is it? I don't see EA this week.
Look at the
I can't be bothered. Like,
look at
the shit.
Yeah, they are in the correction. The fuck. The fuck situation EA right now.
Let's stay away first. Maybe you can grab it again at 525.40.
Like it's a little bit similar. It was similar with UCAT, and then UCAT already broke the low. So I prefer just to look at UCAT at the moment than EA. It's too much to look at everything.
But UCAT has FOMC this week, right?
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Wednesday. Be right back.
Okay.
Gee.
I'm actually thinking to go long, provided based on how the 30-minute close. But there's a few things. There's the fact that the previous 30-minute quite bearish, but it is holding a 50 on a previous 1 hour zone.
15 also close bullish already. Support form.
Yeah.
Shut.
I'll wait for the 30.
The hour's about to close. Like 13 more minutes.
Yeah, 1 hour is gonna be closing soon.
Oh,
New York session at 12, right?
I think it will be, right? Because of the...
Yeah, I think so. Let me check.
Yeah, 1 hour ahead. Wow, look at that rejection.
If you're looking at the level, it's just different 0.001 pip.
Yeah, man. Bruh.
It's a good thing you left us some room.
Yeah. I'm not safe yet because it has to close back above. We'll let the buyers do their work first. Come on! Anything amazing? Why did you enter? Is it cause he has created the 15-minute support of the 1 hour 50? Or of this resistance, I think.
Buying 20 lots, GG.
Wow, why is it raining so much?
What up?
Oh, snow! It's snow.
That's not snow, that's rain, bro.
Snow.
Why are you talking about cocaine on the stream?
Is that what it is?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh damn, L.
What's up?
It almost gets you, huh?
Yep.
Ooh, good thing you let it breathe.
Yep.
Jesus.
I'm not safe yet. Sadly.
1 hour is about to close below all that shit.
Yeah. It's a bit dangerous, a bit. But remember just now my arrow that I drew? It literally went below this. And then it's starting to turn around.
The 15-minute did a doji candle, and this 15-minute is pushing up, so that's a sign of reversal.
Maybe.
So
it could be a retracement to continue lower, then I'm fucked.
yeah. What's happening with gold? Oh shit. Nothing
Rejected.
actually.
He rejected the wick.
What, gold?
He went 3/4 like I said. Then it came back down. Right? The
Buyers are
4 hour.
holding on this 30-minute though.
But there's not enough space.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the problem for me.
No, there is. Just squeeze your stop.
Oh. Nah, if I squeeze my stop on go and I get stopped out, oh, that's so dumb, man.
I'm joking, bro. Don't squeeze your stop.
I feel like it's about to consolidate in this area and then go up from that consolidation to break that daily support on the left. That's what I feel like is about to happen. I'm only bullish bias on gold. We don't need it to come down. Well, I don't.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Is it possible if you enter in by Q box without profit target?
You gotta
Right,
manually close out. I think the TP will always be there.
Manually take my profit target out.
Yeah, manually close on the bottom area.
Yeah,
Okay.
on the entry thing.
I'll ask him if it's possible. But actually I think
No, it's
manually
fine,
removing
it's
it is better, right?
Yeah.
Because TP is fine.
Sit.
不客气。不懂。X, look at this. I literally drew this X here just now. Remember? I'm just gonna get. Because when I backtested, right, the interesting thing was a lot of the entries appeared at this time, which is messed up. Yeah, which is messed up. It appeared at this time.
GJ entries?
Yeah. Which is damn weird. But that is just what I observed when I did my backtesting. I went for like 6 months. And it was always around this time.
I feel like in the Asian time zone, you could get pretty nice entries too, if you know what you're looking for. You know.
It's just very, very, very slow.
Yeah. You just have to place a trade. Make sure your stop loss can breathe, because the spreads go up by like 30.
Oh no! Don't enter at that time. Enter after the first 4 hour candle is closed. That's the safest.
Yeah. And then just let it go. And wake up in the morning and profit. You did it right. Bum, 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 bum. Ooh, someone's birds is chirping.
Yeah, birds or something.
That's lit.
At least it's not the noisy bird. That noisy
I
bird
like those
disappeared
birds.
already.
I like those
Bishamba.
birds that just singing. You know, they're just chilling. They're singing.
I have one that goes wah, wah. No, I don't know where that bird went.
Shoot that one.
It
Just
does it
shoot
in the
it.
morning.
Your alarm clock.
Oh, I'm used to it already.
Yeah.
So, luckily. Now I'll be so annoyed.
Get you shoot it. It's okay.
Shoot with an air rifle that shoots the metal ones. The metal BBs.
I think
even
you
with
can't
that,
even
can
take it
just
out.
Kill it.
You might die, yeah.
I used to
the
shoot
point.
birds when I was a kid with those metal BBs. Huh.
We don't have
Like
the
the
metal
pump
BBs
action,
here already.
you gotta pump it, you know, and the more you pump it, the harder it'll shoot. I had
The
one
more
of
pressure.
those. Man, I used to shoot birds out the air with that shit. Especially if they would just sit there. And I used to be bad, bro. I used to put like food, and they'll sit there and eat it, and I'll pop them in the head from my window of my
Bruh,
house. Yeah,
that's
I
really
used to be
cool.
bad. Yeah,
Damn.
yeah.
Bird
But
murderer.
call me a killer. I don't care.
That's messed up, bruh.
Hey, what up, Vic?
What up?
What you eating?
Birds.
Duck. Duck.
Oh, okay. Okay. You calling me a killer? Look at him, he's eating duck. Nah, duck's fire though. Duck's fire.
You would know. You killed him.
Yeah, I eat them too. Shit. Duck's fire. It's better than chicken, I think.
Yeah.
Just like I give chicken a 9 out of 10. I give duck like a 9.7. You know, out of 10.
Duck is no wait no. Duck is tougher.
I love duck.
Like the meat is a bit drier.
Every time I go to a restaurant and it has duck, I order duck.
Duck.
Yeah, it's fire.
Turkey is dry.
Fucking
That's
hate
not
turkey.
Yeah, turkey is dry.
If you know how to cook the turkey, it's never dry. Like
But
Thanksgiving turkey shouldn't be dry.
Depends on which part you eat, right?
Yeah, if you cook turkey
If you
right,
cook
it
it
should
right.
be dry.
Yeah, turkey's fire.
If it's dry, that means you weren't doing it right.
Yeah.
I don't cook. So far,
Man,
those
my
I
family, they do everything to that turkey, man. Before we, you see them injecting them with with food and shit. It's weird, man. I love Thanksgiving though, Turkey Day. Gold, come on, man.
The 1 hour closes back above this support. Going to laugh. Just playing with me. Okay.
LOL.
Yeah. Lul.
Bruh.
Piccolo.
GJ's like, Jigsaw, do you want to play a game?
Jinx. Ha 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 ha. You can't speak anymore. Ha ha ha. You know what's funny? Even when I'm not on the Zoom screen, yeah, it still shows me that you muted me.
Oh really?
Yeah, so there's no way you can hide it.
It's in your face.
Yep. So
Letting you know. It's letting you know that you were noisy.
Telling you, man, it's the hand slipping thing. It's like a phenomenon that happens on the Zoom calls.
Oh, don't even talk about hand slipping. Alexi had a hand slip
shut
today.
The fuck up.
His hand slip
Don't
was
talk about that.
awesome.
Don't talk about that. Why you got always stare so intently at my camera, bro?
Bro,
Why,
it
why
wasn't
you,
just me.
why,
Andy saw it
why,
first.
yeah, both you. Why you look so interested in my face or my background?
Bro, you
moving?
did it in front of the camera.
Yeah, it's
Bro,
literally in the center.
And it's not only 5 seconds. It was
listen.
like 15 seconds.
Why did it take you so long to let me know?
Why did it take you so long to read the chat? I should have recorded that part. Damn. Let me go find it on the
Why
stream.
you gonna, bruh?
But it's on YouTube live stream, right?
Oh, true.
The thing is, yeah, you lot said it. I was like, oh shit, actually. And then I went to the YouTube channel, no, so I was like,
The thing is, I didn't want to disturb you because I know how it feels.
Want to find it? Let me find it on the YouTube live stream. Captured live on
man,
cam.
You're really screwed now.
It's living on the internet now.
she quote me a 4K.
No, 1080.
Got you on a 1080p, bruh.
Yeah. It was quite funny.
Why you gotta laugh at my habits, man? My hands are cold, okay? Why you gotta bully me?
We didn't laugh, we were sincerely questioning. He
My
find
hands
it.
were cold.
Lexi, look what I'm finding.
I can't see. What are you finding?
Seriously, bro, why, dude?
Oh my god.
Shit. Where is it?
You won't hope it was like 2 hours ago.
Yeah, but 2 hours where? I gotta sift through. I know it's when you were standing up, so I just gotta make sure. This is when you were sad that you close. Come, let me narrate the whole story. This is Alexi closing 90% of his trade by accident. Bruh, aren't you glad you closed it?
No.
Oh, I know, it was after the magic keys.
Must you really go all the way back there?
Funny.
Come
Bruh,
on, bro.
we went to record Andy dropping things into his keyboard. You gotta give Andy a chance to take revenge. Andy, help me find. I think it was before this. Was it before or after the Bitcoin?
I'm reading the Zoom chat.
Is it before or after the Bitcoin?
I don't know. Is it?
Oh, Jenny. Damn, it was definitely before. I can't find it. Damn. It's definitely before. Oh, look, he found it. 9:38 GMT.
Hey, oh, isn't it dinner time? You should go eat.
No, my mom's not back yet.
Bro, I thought it was your dad that cooks. He should be back.
Waiting for my mother. 1.5 hours ago. Okay. Moment, please. I will find this shit. This is highlight of the day.
Come on, bro. Why you wanna go so far back to look at me put my hands in my pants, bro?
because I love trading. That's why.
Oh, so perverted, this one.
Maybe YouTube cut it out. Because they deemed it as porn.
I was like, oh, censorship.
Censorship. Alexi said, because First 90%.
Dang, already? We just gotten started.
Yeah. Where is it? Oh, Wilson found it. You're screwed now. 120. Wilson is the master of these kind of things. He did the last one also. 126. He even gave me 126.33. Okay, that's how accurate he is. For entry. Oh, it was before the McDonald's.
What the fuck?
Bruh, I was looking at McDonald's.
You said, damn, those McDonald's look good.
Bro, aren't you glad? Aren't you glad that my didn't go?
Oh my god. Fucking funny. I didn't even know that it was the McDonald's time. Damn. Now do you see why you were asking? It's literally right in the center of the frame. You couldn't even unsee it even if you wanted to. You're scarred.
And it was long.
Yeah, it was.
You know why? It's because it's a habit. Like I don't realize I'm doing it.
Wait, that's a habit?
Yeah, because it gets cold. Yeah, you put your hand like on your hip.
Is that so?
Yeah.
I put it on my tummy.
What?
Wait, what are we talking about right now?
Alexi's hip is there. It's called a hip.
Put your hand on your hip and then you walk or just stand and it's warm.
Bro, your hip is on the left and on the right, yeah?
Okay. It's more like your leg. It's more like your leg. Like the top of your thigh.
Save yourself from this.
Bro, listen, you wouldn't understand.
Yeah, you won't understand the struggle.
No, I won't. Because I put it on my tummy, not down my pants. Poor Alexi.
Bruh.
Bruh. My mom back. Oh, my mom's back. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat now. Bye bye YouTube, trade safe. It's only Monday. Farewell, see you all tomorrow.
Are you telling me in the end that's what they got to see?